Today I'm taking with the FNIRSI Intelligent Tweezers II. So it does come with a nice clamshell case. We got our instructions. So this is an LCR meter. It can read capacitance, resistance, and inductance. So for capacitance, I can read 1 picofarad up to 22 millifarads. For inductance, we got 1 microhenry up to 10 henries. And for resistance, we got 10 milliohms up to 10 megaohms. It says it has a battery life of about 3 hours. About a 1.5 inch screen. Got our dimensions right there. It uses a USB-C to charge. Can operate in 0 to 50 degrees Celsius and store in negative 20 to 60 degrees Celsius. So here is the tool. You can see that this is a tweezer style that is semi-flexible. So if you want to move that in and out, basically to grab onto smaller or larger objects, we do have the capacity to do that. Oh, that's neat. So on the back of here, we do have a magnet, and that is strong enough to hold the guy up. So if you want to, you can just stick that right onto your workbench. Very nice to have that. On the front, we've got our display. We got power, menu. We got a selector wheel right there. And we got our charging port there on the top. We got our charging cable. It's USB-A to USB-C. We have what look like some Kelvin clips. So that's nice. That is a 4 cable, and that goes to a USB-A port. Got a couple of replacement tips. We have a metal plate. So if you don't have a metal surface that you can stick that onto, you can use this adhesive. We can stick that onto our workbench, and then we can stick this onto that. This is kind of nice. They actually included a resistance reference board. So over here, starting on the left, we're at 0 ohms, so that is basically just a fuse. And that goes all the way up to 10 mega ohms. So this part is kind of interesting. I was trying to figure out how this would plug in, and what actually happens is the tweezers will actually pop right out. So then we can plug in our Kelvin clips, and we can use that instead. Very nice having those different options. So the main thing is this guy right here, and you can just plug in whatever tool you prefer. Let's go ahead and turn that guy on. Very nice display on it. So we got LCR, scan, sort, voltage, settings, and back to LCR. For settings, we got language, speed. Start page is the main page, orientation auto. That's actually kind of nice. So if we flip it around like that, yeah, that's nice. So we can use that whichever way that we like. We got brightness, volume, auto power off, calibration, about, and factory settings. Okay. That's nice. So we actually have a multimeter built in. So this is for negative 30 to 30 volts. I am most interested in the LCR, so let's go there. Let's check our board. Okay, so we are getting 1 ohm on the 1 ohm resistor. We are getting 10 ohms on the 10 ohm resistor. There's 100 ohms. That's 100 perfect. 1,000 ohms. That is 1K ohm. This is 10,000 ohms. Let's see, that says 10K. 100,000. Just under 100,000. There's our 1 mega ohm. And our 10 mega ohm. So we know that that guy is reading properly. I also have my own resistors. So this is 1K. And we are reading 1K. So that is awesome. So if I go from resistance to a capacitor, will that automatically update? And that does. So we got about 380 microfarads. Let's check another one. 370 microfarads. And if we go back to resistance, then it automatically picks that back up. So I can go from resistors to capacitors to inductors. I'm not going to have to worry about it. The tool's automatically going to take care of that. Very nice. Go ahead and pull this off and swap to the Kelvin clip. Yep. And we are getting pretty much the same reading right there. So whichever writing style you prefer, that is not going to be an issue. That is really nice. I really like the fact that you can basically, if you're right-handed or left-handed, doesn't matter. The screen is always going to orient itself to fit your needs, especially if you need to like hold a big large object with your right hand. You want to use your left hand for this. All you got to do is flip that guy, and that will flip the screen. So if you're looking for a nice small LCR meter, something you can easily fit in your pocket even if you wanted to, this is going to be a nice, light, easy tool. Help you identify components in the field. So overall, I'm very happy with that.